Alright, here we go. Let's take our last peek at this thing before it's completely finished, just so we can continue documenting everything. But I think it actually goes into the paint shop tomorrow, so good news, we should have the car back very soon. How you doing?
Okay, how are you?
Good, good. Just here to check up on the Mustang.
Yeah, hang on one second. It's in his stall back there. He's probably back there right where it's at.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Ooh, look at that one.
That kind of is identical to yours, just opposite side.
Yeah, it needs a quarter panel. Oh man. Oh, ouch. So this is kind of how mine looked, but over there the red one is mine, but that's awful. This one got banged up pretty good. Wow. Alright, here we go. One last look at this guy. Looks about the same, but I can already tell that he has been welding. So I'm going to get him on camera here in a second, see if he can tell us what he's been doing. Look at that. Alright. That is smooth. Yeah, I can't really tell the difference. Man, I'm so excited to get this car back. So we've got welding down here, all around here. Oh man, I can't wait to get this car back. Hopefully, the next few days, we'll be able to get it back on the road and we can start the twin turbo process. One last look at the stock engine, minus the long tubes and exhaust and all that stuff. Did you have a good vacation?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah? It looks like you're making progress over here.
Yeah, I was hoping to weld it before I left, but I had it everything lined up and stuff ready, but I wasn't going to have time to start and finish welding it and stuff.
Right.
I did it yesterday. I finished welding it this morning.
Lisa said it might be ready to get painted soon.
Yeah, with having the weld done and stuff, I just got to finish grinding it down.
Yeah.
Do a little bit of filler work, some sink sealer stuff, and that's about it. So
Okay.
I'm hoping to have it, hopefully have it painted tomorrow sometime.
Sweet.
Ready to get it primed and all that stuff.
Nice. What do you think the estimated completion would be?
Maybe like early next week.
Early next week? Okay. That's fine. Yeah, I didn't.
Have it by the end of the week, but I think that might be kind of where we go through paint and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Get it all put back together.
Yeah, we don't want to rush it. It looks like you're doing some pretty good work over here, though.
Yeah, I was having everything lined up and stuff, make sure everything's good. Front door, bumper, taillight, everything's lined up.
Yeah, I appreciate all the hard work. New quarter panel, so definitely now it's in better shape than that one over there. So everybody's crashing their Mustangs. I know this is kind of still tough to look at, but hopefully this will be the last time you guys ever see this car like this. It better be, otherwise I don't know what we're gonna do. But yeah, we're still lining up parts to come in the mail. Twin turbos have shipped. They will be here in the next couple of days. I'm so excited for this thing to be back on the road, back home. We can start turning wrenches on it again. And this is just a quick little update. But yeah, looks like we're very near completion. And again, I won't see this until the finished product, until it's complete, if you will. Once it's out of paint, the trunk, we took the spoiler off. That's all getting replaced. Remember, we have the carbon fiber stuff going on the car. It's getting wrapped. And then we're gonna have to let the paint cure, probably about a month or so. Let me know in the comments, how long should we let the paint cure on the car before we wrap it? Definitely let me know. I don't know if it's like a month, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, you know, whatever it may be. Just let me know, all of you body shop guys that are familiar with this whole process. But looks like he is doing very good work. I'm excited. I am very excited. Still hurts to see the car like this, but it'll be all right. It will live on, and we're gonna make this thing fast.